How to make Shein orders come faster. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch your Shein application from your device. Then get logged into your Shein account. Now let's go ahead and select a product. You can also search for the product at this section or simply choose from the existing ones. In my case, I already have a product that I would like to buy. Let's go ahead and select it. Check this box, tap on checkout. Now, if you would like Shein to deliver your order faster, under shipping method, you have to check the box that says express shipping. If it's not checked by default, check this, toggle this button as well, and likewise tap on continue. And just like so guys, this is how easily you can make Shein deliver your order faster. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.